If you look at your X's, where do you have more X's at?
Bottom.
On the bottom. How many more do you have down there?
3.
You actually have 3 minus 2. You actually have
Okay.
one extra one down there. And then the only thing else you have is a Y. This is the only place you have it, so it stays on top. So that would be letter B. So the only thing you could simplify were those X's. Everything else just stayed the same. With 8 and 9, I'm going to rewrite them. This one, I'm going to move to the bottom. And this one, I'm going to move to the top. I'm not moving these. Why wouldn't I move these?
They're positive, they're good.
They're already positive. They're good. They can stay where they're at. Just the negative ones I want to move. So this is going to come downstairs. This is going to stay. This is going to go upstairs. This is going to stay. So once I've rewritten it, then I just need to see where do you have more of your letters at. Well, if I look at my Y's, I have more on top. How many more do I have up there? 2. 6 minus 4 would give you 2. And my X's, I have more on top. And I've got 4 minus 3, I've got 1 extra one. So you can leave it as just X, or you can put X1. Remember, you could also write this as XY squared. Either way is fine, and that was letter A.
Where is that?
So you could write it either way. And again here, I'm going to rewrite these. So that's going to go down. That's going to go down. So the C2 is the only thing on top. And then all of this is going to stay. So I've got A3, B0, C1, A2 is coming downstairs, and B1 is coming downstairs. So I've got everything on the bottom except for the C2. And then I need to simplify it. So let's see here. With the C's, I've got C2 on top, C1 on bottom. Where do you have more C's at?
Top.
On top. And how many more?
1.
Just one, so you could leave it as C. Then on the bottom, I've got A3 and A2. They're both on the bottom. So how many would you have altogether?
A5.
5. Now B0, to the 0 power, what is that really?
0.
1. 1. So this is really just a 1, but if you just want to look at the B's, if I have B0 and then I have B1, I still have a total of B1. If I have those exponents, I still have B to the first, which is letter A. But you could have done this at the very beginning. You could have just crossed out the B0 because it's just 1. And A3 times C times 1 is still just that. So if it's anything to the 0 power, you can kind of cancel it out because it's just a 1. But if you want to leave it, it doesn't change the volume. All right, go ahead and put that away.